Good morning, student. Standard 7. See, we are studied about HCF and LCM also. HCF is the highest common factor and LCM is the least common multiple. Now, what are the uses of this HCF and LCM? These things we are going to study. So, before you have to watch, I said you have to take a textbook and then only you have to just see. See, because from the textbook only I am going to explaining this one. Okay, now what the use of? Many uses of there in our regular life. Many things are we are studying in a maths, but we are thinking what the use of in the regular life. Then really, if we are make it, it is a much more. Now what the use of this LCM and SCF? For that one example they are given. A shopkeeper sells a 450-gram bottle of a jam for 96 rupees and a bigger bottle of 600 gram for 124 rupees. Which bottle it is profitable to buy? Then we should know they in a gram different. One it is 450 grams bottle 96 price and 600 means 124, means we have to find a 1 gram cost or like that we have to find. But easy method means when you are getting the exact no, this 96 rupees that 1 gram how much cost and even 600 124 rupees how much that. But here they are saying unitary method that we are studied, so 1 gram we can find and then calculate and then like that. But it is a easy method, you by using SCF you can find it. Now see 150, if I 450 and 600 I removed the SCF, I got getting as a 150, means what the 450 is factor 150 into 3 and 600 factor it is 150 into 4, means the 140 if I here in this notebook 450 I just split up 150 into 3, that how much cost it is there 96 rupees. So 150 gram if I keep and 3 I will send for division, means that much rupees for a 150 gram. When you divide it 3 3 za 9 and 3 2 za 6, means how much rupees 32. Similarly 600's factor is what 150 into 4, so means 600 gram. This I split up 150 into 4. Its cost it is 124 rupees. Then I want 150 grams means 150 I will keep it and 4 I will send for division. So 4 3s and 4 1s. How much rupees I got? 31. Then which one is profitable? See, 450 grams that is 96 rupees, it is a 32 rupees, and 600 that is a 31 rupees we are getting, same 150 gram. So which one it is profitable if we are take as a 600 gram bottle? Understood? Here they are explain here how it is and then profitable it is 600. Second question, such a type of fraction we are solve addition and subtraction fraction you have to do, but when there is a denominator are same then only we can do it. There are two methods. One method that you people are studied, you have to cross multiply, then automatically you are getting the same denominator, and upside also you have to multiply and then you have to add. Then one method, first method they said we have to cross multiply 17 multiply by 35 plus 11 multiply 28 and their product. But this product it is going to again it is a much more means lengthy, it is getting big one and then you have to reduce it, so it's taking the time. But the another second method they what they said, from this denominator if we are find a LCM then it is easy to get it. How? See 28 and 35 LCM I got a 7 into 4 into 5 means 140. 140 LCM I got, then how I will do? Here 7 4s are 28. See, you just concentrate here only. 7 4s are 28. For this 28, then 28 which number I have to multiply by 5, then I am getting 140. So I have to multiply and divide, means both upside numerator also I have to multiply by 5 and denominator also, plus same thing 11 upon 35, 35 I am getting 3 5s are 35, then which number I have to multiply by, I am getting 144. So 35 I will multiply by 4 and here also I have to multiply by 4, and then 17 multiplied by 5 I am getting 85, 11 multiplied by 4 44, and they are both the product. If you are taking, it is getting 140. If you add 129, means here I got a direct answer. Instead of this multiplying, you are getting this one also, but you have to reduce it. Again you have to check which one is divisible, reducible form you want. Understood? Now this one also is, means it is the use of a LCM. Okay, then see, afterward next sum is what is our, that this one question. See, this also very important. Third example, on dividing a certain number by, we don't know that number. If that number, if you divide by 8 or 10 or 12 or 14, the remainder is always getting as a 3. Then which is the smallest such a number? If they are asked a smallest, then you have to find as a least common. Least means the meaning of the least, it is a small, so LCM you have to find. If they are asking the greatest number, means you have to find the GCD or a HCM. Understood? Like that. They ask the smallest, means I have to find LCM. So 8, 10, 12, 14, this vertical they method use, they removed it, and what they got LCM? 840. This LCM we got, means this is a common number, they are completely divisible by 8 also, 10 also, 12 also, 14 also. Then they said remainder is a 5. So the number that if you want find it, LCM whatever you got in that remainder you have to add. So the number what you got, 843. If you check it, you really check it, you check this number dividing by it, you will get always remainder as a, sorry, 5 not 3 they said, na? Then 3 you have to add. Whatever remainder is there, that you have to add. Sorry, 3 is there. Then what I am telling, if you check this 843 dividing by 8, you will get the remainder 3. If you are dividing by 10, then also you will get the remainder 3. If you are dividing by 12, then also you are getting. And if you are 14, means you have to check it. Everyone please check it. Okay. Then afterwards, next example also they are given. What one thing is there? LCM, if you are, I say explain actually previous also videos in that. See here 16, 20 and 80 LCM you have to find. Then easily how can you find it? 16 factors remove, 20 also remove, 80 remove. We are taken a common, these are their common and then uncommon. So this 1 to 4 I got a common, and you just observe when there are 3 numbers finding LCM. If it is common for 2, first HCF finding the common for 3, then only you have to take it. But for finding LCM, 3 numbers are there, more than 3 also, you have to check if they are common to for a 2, then also you have to take it. Understood? Means the here for 3 common, 2 got, here 3 common, 4 I got, but these 2 are common for 2, so once only they are taken, and the remaining then it is common, once only they are taken, uncommon factor. So their product is 80. Means you understood that 16 it is divisible by 80, and 20 also it is completely divisible by 80. Then these number are completely divising the, which one is the greatest number, that is the LCM. So 80 is LCM. Here by calculation factors also we got, and here also. Here they given if the greatest of the given number is divisible by the other numbers, then that greatest number is the LCM of the given. Means this is the greatest number is divisible by other two number, so greatest number is the LCM. Like the one note also given, and one more it is used, it is more important use they are given. See, their question is what? Shreyas, Shalaka and Snehal started running from the same point on a circular track at the same time and complete one lap of track in a 16 minutes, 24 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. Then what is the shortest period of time in which they will all reach the starting point together? Means the what is the shortest period you have to find that time they are all together will reach there. So for that finding, here they ask the shortest, again you have to find a from 3 numbers LCM you have to find. So 16, 24, 18 minutes, that one I taken. they did here their factorization they did, and what we got, LCM 144. LCM 144 means 144th minute. That time all these three are will all will reach at a starting point together. So 144 minutes means how many? 2 hours 24 minutes. Like that sums are there. See, mostly these sums are for a scholarship also. Competitive exams are there, in that also they are asking. So that time you should have to getting to know, I have to find LCM or SCM, means it is a much more use of that. So understood this. Now our practice set 14. See, first one, this MCQ are there, you can solve it, is SCF LCM also you can find, LCM also you can find. But this one, fifth question it is there. See, no, fourth question is just see, find the smallest number which when divisible by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 given a remainder is a 5 every time. So smallest number we want, mean once again they one solve sum we are seeing. So this one I am going to explain you some. See, they given 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. Sorry, 8, 9, 15, and it's what you have to find LCM. LCM, if I am taking first, I will take a 2. 2 4s are 8, 9 is that, 2 5s are 10, 15 is that, 2 1s and 2 10s are. Okay, then I will divide by a 5. If 4, 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Now I will divisible by 3. 4 is there, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 1s are 3 and then 2. Then I will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, then 3 1 1 and 2 sorry 2 1s are 2. Then these are already, means 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3, all these numbers product means what we are getting as a LCM. LCM you have to take that numbers, what number we are getting if we are do the product. See, LCM we have to write and find out this, then product you just check out what we are getting as a product. Now see, LCM you have to find, then here 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. See here 2 3, these are also prime factor. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 32s are 6 120, 120 122s are 2 or 3 is there, 126 are 12 6 are, sorry, see 123s are we are getting as a 360. 360 means we got a 360 as a number, and they said remainder is a 5, means when you multiply divide by it, remainder always getting every time as a 5. So in a 360 I had to add a 5, 365 I am getting. And if you check it, each and every number you check it, remainder you should have to get as a 5 only. This way you have to solve it. Okay, then practice set 14, and first 4 sums you have to do. 5 6 7 I will tell you afterward. Today we will stop here. Okay.